Hey everyone, Jake here with eTop, and today we're gonna check out the brand new eTop for the Ford Bronco and the Jeep Wrangler, our first automatic soft top. Whether you just got yours installed or you're thinking about getting one, we're gonna go over some tips, tricks, and things you're gonna wanna know to get the most out of your eTop. So the only real difference between these two eTops is gonna come down to button placement on the interior. Other than that, they're virtually the same. So let's go to the Bronco and we'll show you how to open this eTop. Operating your eTop is designed to be quick and easy. But before we press that button, always make sure to check your surroundings and clearance, especially when in parking structures or under trees. And never try to operate it while driving. Now, let's pop this top. To open your eTop, you wanna make sure your vehicle's on, foot's on the brake, and you're in park. Then, open these two latches, pop the top just a little bit and return the latches, and then hold the button until the eTop is completely down, and in seconds, you have open air freedom. It really is that easy. Now that we know how to operate the eTop, let's talk about how we can take care of it. Always use microfiber cloths to clean the windows. Don't ever use paper towels. And stick to touchless car washes when you can. Just keep in mind that you're gonna experience water coming in at angles that you wouldn't naturally, so a couple drops inside the cab is totally normal. Also, consider picking up some eTop twill protectant. It's designed specifically for our fabric and it'll help extend the lifespan and look of your eTop. As a new eTop owner, there's just a few more things to remember. Never try to open the top when it's under 40 degrees. The cold weather can make the windows brittle and you'll risk cracking. And never use an ice scraper on the vinyl. As long as the top is professionally installed, it's covered under our eTop 3-year warranty, and the windows will be covered up to a year. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us directly. We're here to help. And for more how-tos and off-roading content, follow us on social media. We'll see you out on the trail.